Foods of African lovebirds. Are you familiar with the names of every seeds that your lovebirds eat? Join me to share with you the names of seeds that we give to our lovebirds, but we don't actually know the names. Coming up. Welcome back to my channel, my fellow Ka-Shababs, and to all watching around the world. To the Canada and US, thank you for watching to my channel. To the part of Middle East, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shukran hadashuf the channel. To the country of India, Kisahe, Tike, Barabar, Achay. To the part of Pakistan and Baluchistan, Wat Hazal, Zorbo. And to the Russian country, Privyet Spasibo. And to the part of the Philippines, mabuhay at maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay sa channel ko. Tips! You will never be happy or inspired by imitating or becoming someone else. Remain true to who you are and give the world the gift of your own personal inspiration and positivity. Be you.
Kung nakatulong ang bidyong ito, paki-thumbs up. At kung hindi man, paki-thumbs up pa rin mga Ka-Shabab. At huwag kalimutang i-share at i-like sa lahat ng nag-subscribe. Maraming salamat po mga Ka-Shababs.